You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or greater than 1. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 5 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or greater than 1.